What's going on, family? I'm just talking to y'all today. I just found something in my garage today. See that? It says only 141,500 were made. I'm gonna call bullshit on that, but it worked for me at the time. I purchased it. Purchased this like 6 years ago. If you guys don't know, Dark Knight is one of my favorite movies of all time. I own like 4 copies of it, Blu-ray, just because I don't even know it. I think they had different styles of Blu-rays at the time. Some had slip covers. I have a steelbook version. I have this version that I haven't even opened a box of. I think like just another regular version because it was on sale or something like that. I have issues. My next purchase is going to be the 4K versions, but I feel obligated to have to sell some of my Blu-rays for me to make sense of that 4K purchase, if that makes sense. It was on sale on Amazon for like $35 for the trilogy. Now I think it went back to $50. I might have to wait for Black Friday to purchase it, but it's gonna get got. All right, I just wanted to show you guys this. Fuck it, I'm gonna unbox it. And as you guys can see, it's the cover. Blu-ray. Comes off it like a shoebox. The man, the myth, the legend, Christopher Nolan. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. I'm guessing that's Batman Begins. Funny story. So when Batman Begins was shooting, I think it was shooting 03, 04. I lived in Waukegan, Illinois at the time. And it's this expressway called the Amsteads. One of the highway chase scenes that they were chasing Batman off of, the police were chasing Batman, took place at that time on the Amsteads. And you can still see it in the movies today. It was 03, 04, so he still was rocking flip phones, so we didn't have the greatest cameras out there. So there you go. There's my story. If you believe me, great. If not, fuck. The Dark Knight. Wonder what that second disc is. The Dark Knight Rises. I always looked forward to seeing this one, and I feel like that's why it let me down at the time of seeing it, because I was waiting on that Bane, but that Batman Bane fight, and when Bane broke his back, is like, I remember reading that on the graphic novel, so I'm not sure what that is either, as far as the disc, but I will be looking at that in a bit. This is a terrible scene, by the way. It's an okay movie. I don't hate it as much as I did when it first came out, but Dark Knight Rises was my least favorite of the trilogy. Oh, it comes with some, comes with a digital movie. I can probably give that away online somewhere. I just want it to work. I want to see if it works, if anything. A little booklet here. Let's see. That amazing Dark Knight Joker 18 wheeler scene. It's pretty dope. It's an envelope. I'm gonna hope this is a callback to when Rachel left Bruce Wayne the envelope. Liam Neeson, Ra's al Ghul. Worst decision ever to make him Ra's al Ghul. That's neither here nor there. Scarecrow. Oh, Harvey Dent, Two-Face. The Joker. Man. Comes with a couple of toys. Let's take this out. I would give them to my kids, but I don't rock with them like that. The tumbler. Another fun fact. When I lived in Florida, I went to go shoot a music video in Cape Canaveral, Cape Coral, Cape, whatever the place that they shoot off the rockets at. And there's a store there, a museum there, and they have replicas. And one of the replicas they had was the tumbler. And it was, you can drive it and everything. Like, it was great. Seeing that was dope. I got to drive it. So, you want to find out, look it up. Seez Monroe, it's out there. All right. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to show you that because I just found it in my garage and I wanted you guys to share this joy with me, right? I'm looking a mess. I just hopped out the shower. I just wanted to moved in this house about almost a year now. Still haven't cleaned out my garage. We got to get to that. But yeah, man. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Peace.